What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on CEI ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news and I will show you that not only the oil prices drives the price of CEI higher or lower. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we formed 2 out of 5 waves and we were forming the top of our third wave. And right here, let me switch to 10 minutes time frame. If we will take a closer look on this movement, we didn't have 5 wave structure in it, and I've told you that we might have next leg to the upside, and this leg might hit the $1.97 price point. And as you can see, we hit exactly this range. And let me switch again to hourly time frame. And I nailed this movement to the upside by pulling the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom of the first wave to the top of the first wave and to the bottom of the retracement right here. And at the price point of $1.43, we hit first major target. It is 1.618 extension level, had a bounce to the downside, and we went higher from this range and hit second target to the tick, as you can see, at $1.97. Congratulations to all of you who took my call and who entered your position somewhere at this point. Your potential profits might be up to 38%. Definitely it is a good profits. And on top of that, I've told you that when we hit our target, we have to have a retracement, and let me pull the top of our third wave right here. And most likely we might have these bottoms as the bottom of our fourth wave. And in my technical analysis, I will show you what should we expect next. But for now, congratulations to all of you who took my call and who make some profits. So, and let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. We still don't have enough data from their numbers, according to this website, and definitely it is not the best way to invest into the company when you don't know how good their numbers are. And I have to say that right now we have a lot of bullish pressure from the retail community, and on stocktweets.com website, on the most active section, we still have Camber Energy on the third place, but definitely previously it was on the third place on a watchers section as well. And on apewisdom.io website, right here we have the Camber Energy on the 21st place, and it lost about 12 rows. Definitely it is losing its momentum, but I think we might see next leg to the upside, and let me show you why I think so. On investorplace.com, we have this article that was published just 19 minutes ago, and it says Camber Energy stock is appealing for reasons beyond rising oil prices. And let me quote you this: green wave remains main catalyst for Camber. Through its majority ownership of Viking Energy Group, CEI stock gives you exposure to recent developments in the energy market. I won't get into the details about Viking's oil and gas properties, but with oil up to 65% year to date and natural gas up a little over 25% year to date, Viking should see stronger results when it reports numbers for the current quarter later this year. That said, tailwinds with its legacy business shouldn't be your main focus. The potential for Camber to make a successful move into the clean, renewable energy space is its main long-term catalyst. And let me quote you this: right now, Camber's green wave portfolio consists of 2 separate businesses, both held through Viking. First is its Canada-based unit Simpson Maxwell Limited. This industrial engine power generation products provider is an old economy type business. Yet by using carbon capture technology it has licensed from a third party, Simpson Maxwell intends to market this technology to its legacy clients who must contend with Canada's high carbon taxes and other regulations put in place to cut carbon emissions. And second one is its renewable diesel endeavor. Late this year, the company, through Viking, entered a deal to buy mostly completed renewable diesel plant in Reno, Nevada. Once operational, this plant will be able to produce up to 43 million gallons per year. Demand for this alternative energy source has been going up as businesses look to reduce their carbon footprints. The above-mentioned rise in fossil fuel prices, if they're here to stay, could further boost demand. And definitely you should take a closer look on these two paragraphs, and you have to do your own due diligence, because it is just an article in Investor Place in some kind of social media. And that's why you have to know exactly, will this technology be beneficial for this company or not? And if so, definitely it might be a good company for you to put your money in if you realize all the risks. And let me show you right here that most likely, because of their renewable energy turnover, we have the Vanguard Group that increased its position in CEI. And as you can see, I covered this in my previous video. They added from 69 up to 146% to its current position. And definitely, for some of investors, it might be a good sign that you should enter the position with CEI. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? In my opinion, let me show you that our fifth wave might be somewhere at this point or even higher. And what should we expect if we will hold this range, if we won't break the top of our first wave? Definitely, this movement to the upside will be a motive wave, and in this case we might hit higher targets. To project these targets, let me clean the chart a little bit. To project these targets, I have to pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave and to the bottom of the retracement. And as long as this is our lowest point and we won't break this range of roughly $1, definitely our major target will be at the price point of roughly $2.12 right here. It is 0.786 Fibonacci extension level, the most probable level of extension in the fifth wave compared to third one. But if we will break this range of $1, and let me mark this range for you with line, if we will break this range, definitely it will invalidate all the targets, and definitely we won't exceed even the previous top of the third wave. And in this case, you should be very cautious in your position. But all in all, as I've told you on my previous video, this asset is very risky and everything depends on the oil prices so far. And for now, I have to say that if I add the price of oil on this price chart, as you can see, this movement mimics the price of oil, and the top of the first wave right here was exactly at the same point when the price of oil hit its recent swing high, and then the top of our third wave was exactly at the same point when we had the top of the price for oil. And as you can see right here, oil is moving south, as well as the CEI ticker moving south right now. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. Just be very cautious with this asset, and if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!